Welcome to Vitor classes, presented by Shami Saha. Telecommunications Act 2023, a comprehensive overhaul of India's telecom sector. Introduction. Overview. Introduction to the Telecommunications Act 2023. Purpose. Modernizing the regulatory framework for India's telecommunications sector. Key objectives. Modernization of regulatory framework. Simplification of licensing and regulatory processes, consumer protection and rights. Modernization of regulatory framework. Aligns with technological advancements, addresses mobile communication, internet services, 5G, IoT, and AI. Simplification of licensing processes. Single licensing framework for various telecom services. Reduces bureaucratic hurdles. Promotes ease of doing business. Consumer protection and rights ensures privacy and security of user data, provides clear information on tariffs and services, mandates prompt grievance resolution. Spectrum management. Efficient allocation and management of radio frequency spectrum. Transparent auction processes, spectrum sharing and promotion of competition. Prevents monopolistic practices, ensures a level playing field. Encourages new entrants and small players. Infrastructure development, promotes development and sharing of telecom infrastructure, supports deployment in rural and underserved areas. Digital inclusion, aims to bridge the digital divide, extends telecom services to remote areas, provides government subsidies and incentives. Cybersecurity and national security, adheres to stringent cybersecurity norms, mandates cooperation with government agencies, includes lawful interception and monitoring provisions. Dispute resolution, streamlined mechanism for resolving conflicts, establishes a telecom tribunal for efficient dispute handling. Implementation and impact, boosts investment and service quality, promotes innovation and consumer satisfaction, aligns with global best practices. Conclusion. The Telecommunications Act 2023 is a significant step forward, ensures India's telecom sector meets digital age challenges and opportunities,